Hi, this is Alex, and we are at our new Macedonia showroom here. We're in our cabinet area where we're still getting our displays set up, but as you can see, we're starting to get our granite tops and we have some displays already set in here. We even have customers sitting down with Bill doing a kitchen design, where one thing that's really nice about what we do is we have a big screen behind the customers where we can interact and really work with the customers on helping them design their kitchen. You know, a lot of places what they do is they have you come in and they send your designs to a CAD department, and then a few days later they come back and go, here's what we came up with. This we do on the spot, and it's working with the customer so they can really help. The greatest thing is how much money we can save. You know, we have 10 by 10 kitchens here starting at $17.99 that are solid wood, and you know, that would cost you $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 somewhere else. So I mean, it's an absolute home run.